my god. This is so fire. Right, so as you guys can see, we got the M4 here, and we've added a few pieces to it, and I have to say, this thing is looking amazing. We got the lip that you just seen. We got the spoiler we just put on. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I'll show you guys how to do that. Very easy, probably one of the easiest things you'll ever do. I also made a video showing you guys how to install the lip and how to protect the lip. Go check that video out. But this next thing we're about to do to it, definitely not as easy as the spoiler, but this thing is about to totally change the look of this car. So let's get this thing all cleaned up and start this transformation. If you guys are interested in any of the stuff I use during this process, it's all linked down below in the description. Alright, I know this is everyone's favorite part, so you know I gotta get the GoPro to get a little POV for the foam cannon. $13.91 apparel. We got a whole bunch of stuff over there. Go check it out. So we're good to go. If you didn't know by now, this is what we're going to be installing, the 4-piece PSM style diffuser. See, I already got the 3M on those pieces there. We got the under tray, and then we got the diffuser piece that's going to be replacing the stock piece there. By the way, if you guys need any carbon fiber parts, make sure you hit up SenCal Motorsports. Use the code LouieXIII for money off your order. Alright, so before I pull it all the way in, let me show y'all in some good lighting what it looks like before. I mean, you guys have seen it, but one last look at the plain back end. The spoiler did so much for the rear end of this car, but this diffuser is about to take it to a whole another level. Alright, here we go. Y'all ready? Alright, so first things first, we're going to be installing this piece. We'll be removing this stock piece right here, and it'll just be replacing it. And all you're going to need for that is a 5/16, and we're just going to be removing these few screws under here. Pull that out, simple, and it should just pop right out. This piece could be a little difficult to get out, but all you gotta do is reach in there, push up on that white piece right here, and boom, simple as that. All right, look at that. And you do have to remove these, and that is a 10mm. And then one more over here. Alright, now we'll go ahead and replace these. Lines up good. Not gonna put it all the way in yet. Just make sure everything lines up how it's supposed to. Probably won't be perfect. This one is a little off, but it's still get it in there. Good. Running perfect on that one. That's good. It's a little off. Okay. Make it work. That works. You don't want to make it too tight, just tight enough. That's good. Last one. Alright, we're solid. Everything's on there. Good to go with that. And already, that alone makes it look so much better. Sorry for the lighting. We'll pull it out in a second so you guys can really see, but wow. Yeah, I'm hyped. All right, so next thing, the big piece. And for this, I have some U-clips that I'm gonna be using. And I'm using the number 10 U-clips for that. I'll show you where I'm putting them in at. We're just gonna put them in right here and right here. There we go. So we'll see if I end up using this right here, a little 1/2 inch, or if I end up using this right here, a little longer. I'm gonna just use this to hold this side up for me while I work on the other side. And we do have to remove this right here because we are gonna be using it. There we go. Same thing on this side. Right. Let's see. Probably end up using the bigger one. We're good there. Now let's get this back on. Underneath that. Boom, and that's in there. All right, that's one side. Simple enough. I gotta pull it over just a little. Nothing's ever a perfect fit though, but this is pretty damn good. Solid with that. Good to go. The last piece here. Oh, like I need to come over a bit. I come over quite a bit, but we make it work.
A few minutes later.
All right, so that took a little longer than it should have, only because I had to pull this way, and it's only me obviously, so the screw wasn't going into the clip up there, but I just, you know, pulled it this way and eventually I got it to go in there. But that was pretty simple aside from, you know, me having to pull that, and we're almost done. Yo, this thing looks so sick, and the installation's not that bad, I'm not gonna lie. You won't be able to see too much until I pull it out, but these are the only pieces we have left. See, I already got the 3M on there like I told you guys before. Hell yeah, let's finish this thing up. All right, so before we go ahead and put that on there, I'm just gonna clean the bottom of this with a little bit of alcohol. Make sure it's all nice and clean, even though we just washed the car. You know, trying to make sure it sticks as good as possible. All right, we got that. Now just remove these screws. Ooh, knock it up, make sure it looks good. I'm gonna remove the 3M before I do that, because the inside piece I won't be able to get to, but first, some adhesive promoter to make sure it sticks even better. Okay, go ahead and add it to this side as well. All right, let's do this. Put it on lightly for now. All right, looks good. There we go. Go ahead and tighten it up. It's good. Press it on there. Boom, solid. Woohoo! Oh my God. This is so fire. Look at this. And I'm sorry for the lighting, but that side compared to this side. Oh man. All right, let's get this side done. All right, same thing. That's the fastest I ever got that off. Usually I have to struggle. Look at that. Oh, I'm on it today. Probably because I got to clip my fingernails. Not gonna lie. All right, let's do this. Good. We're good. I think we're good. Tighten it up, and we are done. Make sure this is pressed in tight. Boom. There it is. Not bad at all. I'm about to pull it out right now, and let's take a look at the final product. Look at this thing. Hell yeah. Oh my god. That makes so much of a difference. This thing's literally a completely different car now. We still need the side skirts, and that's totally gonna just put it all together. But wow. Look at this. Drop a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. We got the spoiler. We got the diffuser, the 4-piece PSM style diffuser, the CS spoiler. Still got the side skirts. If you haven't seen my previous video, go check that out. I'll show you everything that I got. And we got the V-style front lip. Oh yeah, this thing is coming together, people. Sheesh. You can't tell me that that ain't fire. Totally different car now. Tell me what you guys think down below in the comments. Remember, hit up SenCal Motorsports for any of your needs for parts. They got a whole bunch of stuff over there. Use code LouieXIII for money off your order. This thing is so fire.
Getting behind the scenes.
See, my cousin pulled up on me.
What's up?
Good, what do you think, cuz?
I love it, man. It's better in person.
Better in person? Hell yeah.